Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate TikTok brand kits using Canva, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate TikTok brand kits using Canva, start by opening your Canva account. If you don't have an account, create one by signing up with your email or social media. Once logged in, navigate to the Canva homepage. In the search bar, type TikTok brand kit and hit enter. This will display various templates and options related to TikTok. Select a template that suits your brand style. Once the template opens, you will see options to customize it. Begin by changing the brand colors to match your TikTok branding. Click on the color palette and enter your brand color codes. Next, update the text to reflect your brand name and slogan. You can also adjust the font style to align with your brand identity. To add images, click on the Uploads tab on the left sidebar. Upload your brand logo or any images you wish to include. Drag and drop the images onto your design. Make sure they are positioned correctly and are visually appealing. Once you're satisfied with your design, look for the Share button in the top right corner. Click on it and select Download from the drop-down menu. Choose your preferred file format, such as PNG or JPG. After selecting the format, click the Download button. Your TikTok brand kit is now ready for use. You can apply it directly to your TikTok profile or in your video content. Repeat this process to create multiple brand kits for different campaigns if needed. Utilizing Canva's tools will help maintain cohesive brand aesthetics across your TikTok presence. Now you're fully equipped to activate and customize your TikTok brand kits using Canva. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.